Hello guys, welcome to Carbon Zero Twins!
Hope you had a great 2022 and I hope you guys will be looking forward to the next year.
I have some exciting news. Last Friday on December 8th, we were featured on Toronto Star.
And if you guys are wondering why we were featured on Toronto Star, it was because we were making an eco-friendly Christmas.
We have provided the link of the Toronto Star article in the description. If you would like to check it out after watching this video, go to the description and click the link.
It will provide you some tips on how you can start your own eco-friendly and sustainable Christmas.
In this video, we are going to show you how you can decorate your own Christmas tree with natural ornaments.
We will show you how to decorate your home by using natural greenery, including dried flower, sticks, berries, dried fruits, and even more. And we do not use any plastic.
Did you know that using wine corks, whether from a neighbor or from your own family, you can make some really cool ornaments? And for my idea, I've used corks as humans. Here is General Snowman, grain farmer, snowboarder, scared guy in a plane, strongman, skateboard, unfortunate parachuter man. Oh, he's sad. So anyways, guys, here is an ornament made out of these dehydrated orange slices, these chestnuts, and these cinnamon sticks. You can really see how beautiful this is. In this video, lots of people are asking us how to make these dehydrated oranges. And just to clarify, no, we do not use a dehydrator to dehydrate the orange slices. My mom and my brother picked out this pine cone from the woods. My brother picked it, my mom painted it. In fact, my mom painted a whole picture frame of these pine cones. Added with the yellow paint in the middle, they kind of look like flowers. These are birdhouses. We got these birdhouses from the dollar store. We painted them with yellow and red, and then we put these Christmas lights inside them. Each of them are different and have their own set of colors. Like for example, this one, this one, red and green. That one, red and blue. And we also got a different array. Some of them have two holes and have two different colors. This one has just one. Got it boring? This is a hand-painted wooden heart. The heart was got from a dollar store. My mom painted it and we put all of these pictures. This is me, this is my brother, this is my dad, and this is my mom. On the back, she even wrote all of our names. That's my name, that's my brother's name, that's my dad's name, that's my mom's name. Although, I have something to admit though. This tree, it's plastic. But we've been reusing it for 7 years. If we were to throw it away right now, all of this tree would go into a landfill and become waste. It probably degrade, and it probably degrade in the next 500 years. Or who knows, even longer. So it's important to reuse plastic. It's important to reuse things, especially plastics, because they are not biodegradable.
We also made some decorations using this plant called hydrangea. A nice lady on the Nextdoor app gave us some of these dried flowers. We also got some berries and these branches from the trail.
These are wild berries we got from the woods. Along with just using the beauty of nature, we also used some oranges to add to the nature vibe.
This is a beautiful decoration we made by using pine branches and some berries.
Can you see me? If you're wondering about these decorations, they are both recycled. This is a recycled teapot, teapot we got a few years ago. You can see how we use the herbs from the trail to decorate it along with these berries. And this is a candle lighter. See? We put, there were holes all around, and we put in rows of 3 units and some branches, and out of the top, some of these berries. This is the supply box that most of our corks came from. Most of the other cork making designs, like the glue gun, are in the basement right now. But this is what we mainly use to create deck ornaments. And then can I introduce Mexican Man? And to the newest member of our gang, I mean city, please don't cancel me, is Mexican Man. He has a hat, which is an orange, which is just an orange slice, a dehydrated orange slice slightly bent. And he's going to be the newest member on the tree.
Thank you for watching!
Like, subscribe,
And share this with all your friends. And also hit that notification bell to see if we post any more videos.
We really hope that this video has inspired you to use nature elements in your ornaments and decorations too. Something good about nature ornaments and decorations that plastic ornaments don't have is that they're free of cost, mostly, and they're good for the environment. They're biodegradable.
It feels so satisfying and fresh to have nature decorations in your house, because you will feel like you're in the middle of nature, like a forest or the ocean or a plain field. But in reality, you're just in your own house.